Hello everyone, we're from Group 10. We'll be presentation about plant disease. The member of the group is me, Gabriela Joana Velita Artika Bari, with student number 236, and my friend is Adelia Poppy Anggraini with student number 237. The main topic of this presentation is definition of plant disease, the identification of plant disease, the cause of plant disease, and the disease triangle about pathogen, environment, and society. 1 is definition of plant disease. Plant disease is defined as the state of local or systematic abnormal physiological functional of a plant resulting from the cosinus prolonged irritation caused by pathogenic organism. Infection of biotic disease again by Jeffrey R. Plant disease. Plant disease about plant pathogen can be devastating when they strike a large crop. Most plant pathogens are very specific for a particular plant species of group. In very few instances, the plant pathogen may produce a toxic that is harmful to humans, as with livestock production. Crops are often grown in highly concentrated setting over vast expanses of land. This makes them a vulnerable target for the pathogen. This is especially true for cereal, grain, rice, and wheat are two crops that supply the majority of the world's daily intake of calories. Any pathogen target these two crops could have serious implications for economy and nutritional status of a population. Plant disease can be discussed into type, namely A. Local disease. Local disease only exists in one place or certain place part. For example, is fruit, leaf, branch, stem, and root. B. Systematic disease. The disease spread throughout the body plan so that plant body will be sick. In addition, the disease also consists of several kinds that can be divided into two groups, namely parasite and non-parasite disease or physiological. 2 is identification, the identification of plant disease. The identification process is a method used to search for the cause of the plant being attacked by the disease. The process is identifying the disease by observing the symptoms that appear on the surface of the plant due to biotic or abiotic factor by Abdi Cahyaning Rekita. Diagnosis can use the method of fuzzy interference system certain factor of the symptom that arise in cultivated plant. Diagnosing and identifying diseases that occur in the cultivated plant is an important thing to do. It aims to provide a recommendation for good control. A plant can be said to be attacked by disease if there are changes in all or part of the organ. Plant can be said to be sick if there are changes in all part of the organ plant that causes disturbance daily physiological activity. Therefore, plant disease can be defined as something that deviates from the normal state.
Three is cause of plant disease. Plant disease occur because of the interaction between three main factors, namely plant or host factors, plant-disturbing organisms or pests, and of course the environment around plants and pests that directly affect plant development. Cause of plants. Plant disease is a group of microorganisms whose activities cause damage to plants so that plant growth and development is disrupted and has an impact on economic loss. Based on the organism that cause disease, it can be caused by fungi, bacteria, and virus. Disease plants can be identified by looking at their symptoms. Paying close attention to the symptoms that occur in plants, general and specific signs of symptoms, tell us about what diseases are attacking our plants. Symptoms that occur can be found on the leaves, roots, stems, or fruit of plants. With disease in plants, it will be possible to seek control that can be done to reduce the level of damage to plants so as to increase production. 4. The disease of triangle. The disease triangle is a conceptual model that shows the interaction between the environment, the host, and an infection or abiotic agent. This model can be used to predict epidemiological outcomes in plants health and public health, both in local and global community. In a qualitative sense, the disease triangle concisely illustrates the phenomenon of plant disease as occupying the interior space of a triangle with the three essential factors at the vertical. Alternatively, the three factors may be associated with the line segments. Then, line length and interior volume can show variation in the strength of the relationship in a quantitative sense. For example, a host with some degree of resistance but not immune will result in an overall lower level of disease. Used in this sense, in disease triangle illustrates the continuum of host reaction from complete susceptibility to immunity. Some plant pathology have elaborated on the disease triangle by adding one or more parameters. 1. Suggested additional parameters have included humans, factors, and time. Of this, only time is absolutely required, so other elements represent special case application. Humans factors into the disease triangle because the influence of human activity on disease is pervasive in agriculture and perhaps to a lesser degree in lower input systems such as forestry and range management. The disease triangle will almost certainly be an educational paradigm in the discipline of plant pathology for many years to come. One hopes the discussion here will enhance the educational value of the triangle and its variants.
And finally, we would like to say thank you for everyone who listened our presentation. See you around, guys. Thank you.